Enable product waitlists to notify interested shoppers when sold-out products are back in stock. To enable product waitlists, first open the Waitlists panel. Switch the Allow Waitlist Signups toggle on. To customize the sign-up text on the product details page, first click Sign Up button. Click a field to customize the text, then click Save. In the Waitlists panel, you can view the name of each product variant with a waitlist, the number of signups, and the individual email addresses that are signed up in chronological order. It's not possible to export this list or to receive sign-up notifications. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.